I lost $10,000 trading AMC, not because I didn't know what to do. I'd spent $3,000 on Charles Payne's trading course. I knew the strategies, I understood risk management, I knew how to trade covered calls. But when AMC started running $20, $30, $40, $50, I froze. My shares got called away at my strike price, and I watched AMC climb to $72 without me. $10,000 in gains, gone, because I knew the strategy, but I didn't know my own psychology. Here's what nobody tells you. Every trading course teaches you what to do. Nobody teaches you how to manage your emotions, your fear, your greed, your conviction. That's the gap. That's where traders lose money. Not because they're stupid, because they're human. I lost my job during the pandemic, went on disability, moved to another country just to survive. And I realized if I'm rebuilding anyway, I should teach what nobody taught me, the psychology that lets those strategies actually work. That's Market Mindset University, not another strategy course. The missing piece that cost me $10,000 to learn. Subscribe if you're tired of knowing what to do, but not being able to execute it. I'll see you in the next one.